At Creya, it is learning by doing. It is about equipping our children with the empathy to recognize problems and the technology skills to solve them and make the world a better place.
Hi, I'm Siddharth, your city's mayor, and I'm super excited to see a group of youngsters wanting to make a change. So, what do you need to get going?
Monuments outside India are well protected. I want my Charminar to be well conserved.
I want my neighborhood to be a cleaner place to walk by.
My grandma has a joint problem. I want to make an e-wheelchair for her.
I can't find any ducks in the pond near my house, as it is very dirty. I want it to be cleaned and I want the ducks to be my friends.
I'm fed up with traffic. I want to get home on time.
I want to play all games and have fun in the limited space of my apartment.
I want to feel safe and be able to play and walk anywhere in my neighborhood.
IoT is bringing in radical changes by bridging distances and allowing control of everyday things from anywhere in the world. Your refrigerator can now auto-order your favorite ice cream for you.
Robotics is all around us, helping us with automating complex and simple tasks from building cars to cleaning homes. Robotics is fun to learn and cool to build. We begin and end our day with some app or the other and use them at home or in school or at work. Coding helps you build the apps or games you like rather than just using what is available out there. 3D printing has revolutionized prototyping as it allows making small models to test out our ideas before building bigger working models. Its impact is there in every field, from medicine to art to the markets. Designing something unique and seeing it come to shape is almost a godlike feeling.
A combination of technology skills, design thinking, idea pitching, and lots of fun is the secret sauce.
Even if you have a great solution, you still need to make an impactful pitch to your audience about your product or idea. Change making is as much about convincing as it is about conviction.
Now let's see how this happens in Creya Change Makers Camp, where they are helping build sustainable cities.
Well, knowing all technologies without a thinking framework is like having a magic key and not knowing which door to open. Design thinking helps you with defining problems better, ideating, designing, and prototyping.
Never knew we could use IoT, robotics, and app building to solve something as simple as overflowing trash. Our tech bin not only warns the municipal staff when it is filled up to 70%, but also automatically closes when it's full. And our app also lets you know the nearest available empty dustbin for you to throw the trash. Our 3D printed she band and pendant is integrated with IoT sensors which ring out alarms and notify the police if required. They are not just for safety but are also cool to wear. They also have a release mechanism for pepper spray. In a country like India with so much heritage, we have so many treasures to be protected. Our IoT controlled proximity sensor system warns the security team about any potential threats, saving them from vandalism.
While it was fun to work with tech, I like the idea pitching and storyboarding sessions. It was like Shark Tank.
I always wanted to be different. I want to make a difference and I'm now ready for it.
This was my first summer camp and I was like, what will I do for 2 weeks? The Changemaker camp was fun and I had a lots of learning. It was fun.
I never knew anything about technology before I joined Creya Change Makers Camp. But now I know everything about technology and it's very exciting and fun. I love Creya Change Makers Camp.
It was really fun. I learned a lot of things like IoT, 3D printing, app designing and robotics, all in one camp.
I'm so happy to have discovered the Changemakers Camp for my kid. It helped her overcome the fear of geeky things like IoT and 3D printing. She's now super excited about working with all of them.
Hi, I'm Chitra, Rohan's mom, and Rohan was a part of the Creya workshop. He was extremely happy after the workshop and during the workshop because I never had to push him to go to the workshop. He woke up every day with so much of interest to be there, and he's learned so many things, just not the content of learning, but he's used his things every time whenever required. The best thing about the workshop was he became a team player. He could take criticisms and mistakes from his friends and he started building on them and learned a lot from them too. Finally, it was an awesome change in Rohan, and Rohan is still looking forward for many such workshops from Creya.
I am the change maker.
I am the change